Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to complete questionnaires on myGC. A questionnaire can help provide the practitioner with any additional details they may require before a consultation. The questionnaire can be completed directly on the app, which removes the need for physical forms and in turn supports a paperless practice. In this video, we will begin on the patient's email screen. Firstly, you as the patient will receive an email from the practice. Once you have opened the email, you will have two options. You can either click the Click to View Form button, or you can copy the link provided and paste it on a separate tab. For this video, we will use the Click to View Form button. On the myGC screen, verify your identity by entering your cell phone number, surname or ID number. Click Continue to proceed to the questionnaire. The questionnaire will open on the myGC app. Here you are able to view the subject, which is usually the name of the form, a description of the form, as well as the timestamp of when the questionnaire was sent. Next, answer all the necessary questions. If you are required to upload any additional documents, click on the Upload a File button and select the desired file. Once you have completed the questionnaire, click Save and Send to submit the form. A pop-up will appear letting you know that the questionnaire was submitted successfully.